Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Pepe update. Today 2 more days to close the signals, so do act up a little bit quickly. So a lot of drama, there is a drama about to happen very soon, in my opinion. It hasn't happened yet, but we are very close to see something happen, right? So a lot of people do say, oh, it's not a head and shoulder. I do believe it's a head and shoulder. That's my it's very clear it's a head and shoulders. I don't know how people may say this is not a head and shoulder, but anyways, yes, it is a head and shoulder, very clear one. And head and shoulder does look like a man with a head and with a shoulder. Why don't you see? It's very clear it's a head and shoulder. Now the thing is that you are very close to come up to a pop, and we have time until 6 December. So basically we're talking about 9 days more. So 9 days from now, we still have to see what happens to Pepe. Now, as far as I'm concerned, the break hasn't happened. As I said in yesterday's video, if the break happens, the retest fails, then we are looking for a technical target of, let's just say 7,000 at the moment, which is 30% from the price level we're sitting in right now. Again, right, it really depends on the break. And whenever you are reaching at the end of the apex, this is known as the apex, where the resistance line and the support line comes to meet. So the point of conjunction basically is known as the apex. And if you come down to the apex, you have 4 different kind of scenarios. And I've talked about this before, but I have to tell you again. Number 1 is you may do something like this and come down, break below, go up for the retest, and actually pass the retest and even shoot to the upside, which results into a fake out, right? That's scenario number 1. Scenario number 2 is to actually just break below and retest, get rejected, and actually go to the target. And scenario number 3, there are actually 6, not even 4. I've told you 2. And number 3 is you go down, you come up, and you break, and then you just go to the technical target. You don't retest at all. You break down and you just crash down, right? Just like how you did it here. You know, you just drop all the way to the downside. That's scenario number 3. Now, scenario number 4 is for the uptrend, and it works something like you go up, you break above, come for the retest, make a fake out, and then you actually go to the downside, right? Or you break above, go for the retest, get rejected, and then you pump to 14,000. That's going to be your technical target. Or you just break above and go to 14,000. That's scenario number 6. So how is it going to be? Like I cannot explain any better. So that's pretty much everything you need to probably know about this pattern that is going on. So trade very carefully, trade wisely. Now let's do a guess, right? Now don't take this as financial advice, but let's do a guess. I probably think we may see a push down, right? For me, there's one logical reason, and that is I kind of see a lot of stop losses being placed at 8754. That's all, right? That's my own reason. Now it's up to the market makers how they want to do it. Maybe just pump it up, maybe just break it down, but who gives a damn, as long as you are carefully and you're ready to trade whichever direction you get. So that's it for this update on Pepe. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.